My name is Diana. I am a LET3 and I'll be demonstrating how to put together a uniform class B. And technically what we're going to be doing is for the girls uniform. What we're going to start first is how to put your rings. A lot of people have been putting them wrong. Please just remember that the ring has to point towards you and not like the other way. So every time you put your ring, remember that it's pointing towards you. And remember that it goes through this and then you just click it, and that's technically all. It's not that difficult either. And then for females, we all need a neck tab, and technically what you have to do is put it around your neck when you have a uniform on. And a lot of females feel like they're like choking because like it kind of is. So if you feel like really suffocated, just put it like less, or if you're okay with it, go all the way. But every time you put it on the shirt, remember to always be careful and like not let it show, and always put it under it. For the nameplate, it's really different on each like female, because some females have bigger breasts than others, so it also depends on that. For example, like some females in nameplate might be like closer to the button, or like farther or more up or lower depending on the breast size. And also another thing is that your like the distance from your nameplate and the button has to be the same distance from the button to your ribbons. So for example, you can't have your ribbons all the way over here and then your name tag all over there. They have to be the same distance. In my opinion, I really recommend using a board on the like under your shirt, so that way it can be really like nice and like aligned on the shirt, because a lot of times when you don't use it, it looks like pretty slaggy. So like kind of like once you put your nameplate, you should put a board so that way it looks much better. And then afterwards, you just plug these in. It's not that difficult. It's really, you just light it in. And then as you can see, it looks better with it than without it. And then when you put your star, there's like in the back, there's another one, there's like two. So this part always goes on the top, not on the bottom. It just goes this way, like this, going to the top. So you can see the star. The star is aligned to 1/4 from the nameplate. You align it to the one in the middle from your name. For example, I have 7 letters in my last name, so mine would go in the between A, since there's 3 and 3, so it would go in top of A. I'm using this ruler, and then you see in here there's like a 1/8 and 1/4. For the girls, it's a 1/4. So then you would just align it